Intergalactic planetary, planetary, intergalactic, intergalactic, planetary, planetary, intergalactic, intergalactic, planetary, planetary, intergalactic.
Hi, this is Lily's Lessons. I'm Lily, and you're watching Monkey Bars Part 2, Advanced Tricks. Before you try these tricks, make sure you practice a lot so you can get down. That's how I got them. Really good. You have to believe in yourself and know that you can master the monkey bars. The first one is a cool way to get down off the top of the monkey bars. First, you have to lay down in the middle of a bar. Then your palms have to face the other way, the other side. Then you look down and then put your feet like that and then push. Just like that. This second one is a cool way to get off the straight bar, just like this. All you do is put your hand right here so it's facing that trick. And put this hand right there on the bar and then twist. If you want to see it in fast motion, you can. Just watch. This last trick is another way to get down off the straight bar. Watch. Just get on a straight bar like this. Your waist is right there, or your stomach. And then just roll yourself over. It's fun. Try it. Thanks a lot. Check back for more, please. See you later.